All right, so this is the Quinear lead to healthy lifestyle, air compression, recovery. These ones here go all the way up the leg. So we're going to try these next. So let's just get them out of the box. Like that. All right. And I do believe very similar to the other ones. Put this over here. Yep, comes in a kit. This is weird. These kind of look the same, don't they? Okay. Get rid of that. All right, so anyway, here it is. They may have been made in the same factory. That is a possibility. Let's unzip it. Oh, yeah. Well, this one's got a box in it. Check that out.
Power supply, I think.
And then we got leg number 1. Oh, we got to unzip all this. So I'm going to need this thing. All right, so we got to get them out of here. There we go. There's one. Let's grab the other one. Same thing, right? A little bit different packaging on this set. But I do believe it's going to be, yep, there's the, you get one of these things here. You got to pull it out. And yeah, it's yeah, I think these things are all made in the same factory. Oh, look, this one's got a big giant logo on it. And there's that part. All right, let's take a look here. Okay, so I think this pops open. We can get the bag and put it over here for now. Let's see what we got here. All right, this one comes with a little, it's kind of nice. And it's got a pamphlet. And of course it does have the exact same type of situation there. 12-volt transformer.
Don't I have the ability to connect my phone and shit to this TV?
I'm sure you can. All right, so that's that. And this looks like the...
Does it have sound, or did it need a sound bar?
No, it's got sound. Just got to turn it up. All right, so this is interesting. So we've got one plug thing here, but well, you can only do one at a time? It doesn't make any sense. You follow me? So there must be another part. It's got to be another part to it. Oh yeah, there is. You know, you got 3 types of problems in life. Obstacles, you go around, under, over, and through. And then you got puzzles. And this is a puzzle. So you got to figure out the puzzle, right? Oh, okay. So this thing's going into your whatchamacallit here. And you want this part up. So I just shove that in. Just like that. Okay, that's in, right? Now this is going to go right over here in this little hole. Right there. Bam. Done. And now you put both of your leg things in here. You follows me? So here's our one leg thing, right? And you can tell which way they go because they're beveled on one side, so you can't screw it up. So let's do the bottom one first. Okay, we got it in. Let's get rid of that stupid thing. Let's take the other one. It's beveled, can't screw it up. Shove it right in. And if you notice, there's little clickers here on either side where it kind of catches. And to get it out, you got to squeeze them and pull them. So that's how that works, all right? So that's ready to go. Now all we got to do is plug it in and then give it a try. These are long. Look how long they are. Let's see if she can figure out how to put them on. They're like giant boots. Uh-oh.
That's why I said wait.
You just dropped that on your foot. Did that hurt?
Didn't feel great.
Let's get this stuff out of the way. We need that. All right, I'm going to plug this in, and then we can give it a try. Jeez, Louise. All right, she's got one on. Do you need help?
Hold on.
I got it. So this has got to kind of go between your legs here because it's the center part is, yeah, that's it. Smush it in. Get them all the way down. Wow, we're not screwing around here, are we? I mean, those are like thigh high.
Yeah, they're supposed to go the whole leg.
Okay. All right, so let's put this over here. Let's hit the
Do I have
pop.
to lay down for this one?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I feel like I probably,
Oh, check this out. Look. Oh my gosh.
probably lay down for this one. Wait.
All right.
You always go first.
All right, so here we are. Oh, look, it's going to do it for 20 minutes. So I just pressed this thing, and I haven't changed the mode. But the pressure, now if I press this, I can increase the pressure. Watch. 60, 70, 80. Let's go to 100. Over here's the mode. Now let's check the mode. See, it's only doing the foot right now, but let's change that mode. Sequence, circulation, combination. Let's do combination. All right, so now it should do everything. So I think it's doing first her foot. So it's filling up here first, and then it fills up these. So we'll give it a couple seconds, see how it does. What do you think?
I wish it had heat, but this one does not.
You don't feel anything yet?
No, it's blowing up still.
All right, I'm going to turn up the pressure.
It's blowing up.
I know, but it's only at 50. I'm going to get it up to 100.
Oh, okay. You only have it on foot.
I know, it's just showing me the foot right now. Let me see the mode.
Just circulation. You have it on high. There, keep going.
There, now it's going up.
How do we make it go up again? Do we hit mode and then that?
I got it as high as it'll go. I got it at 120.
No, that's not what I asked for.
I know, it's weird. When I hit the mode, all it does, doesn't really give me like a lot. It just shows me now it's coming up the leg a little bit.
Yeah, so how do we get it to the correct mode?
I don't know.
Do full leg.
Well, the only thing I can think of is by pushing the mode button. And every time I press it, it's either just the foot or it's this. You follow me? Is this filling in?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
That's tight.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Because I got it at 120 pounds per square
I
inch.
wouldn't have done that, but that's fine. Thanks.
But I think you need that.
Yeah. Which is the one that I got for the Fit King one with heat? You know?
What do you mean? The Fit King? It's just Fit King. This one's Quinear. This is Quinear. The other one was Fit. Those are Fit King with the heat.
Oh, never mind. I got it.
Oh, now it's going higher. Look.
Yeah.
It's creeping up.
Yeah.
All right, so I think you're good. Just got to let it do its thing. Doing better now?
Yeah, it's really tight.
Is it really? Right here. Oh, it's all the way up to here now. It hasn't got this top part
Right.
yet. But you can see it's showing that. Oh, now here goes the top part. Look, the top part's getting squeezed. You hear it? Oh my God. Huh, what do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe this one's better, huh?
This one is better because it's full leg.
All right, that's it, man. That is it. I can't even get my foot in there. I mean, my
Well,
foot.
don't get your foot in there.
My finger in
if you
there.
don't mind. Okay.
I can't get it. Oh, here I can. What do you think? Are you liking it?
Yeah.
All right, it's definitely getting you full leg right now. 120 pounds per square inch. It's crushing your legs. Is it good?
I'm slightly lightheaded for
Do you,
some reason.
it's pushing all the blood to your brain. That's it right there, man. So just so you guys can see it, it's doing the whole leg.
I feel my heartbeat in my thighs.
Do you?
That's a little tight.
Is it?
Can we not do 120 pounds?
You want me to lower it?
Yeah, hurry.
Bam, done. It automatically just goes down. Can you stick your hands in there?
I'm not trying to move it because it hurts.
Oh, it hurts?
Yeah,
Well, I put it.
120 freaking pounds on it.
It's at 50 now, so you'll be fine. Now, if you freak out, you can just grab this
I know.
and unzip it. And you're out. You got me?
Yeah.
All right, do you like this?
Yes, this one I
All right,
keep.
what do you think?
Yeah, like it.
All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and you can get these things to crush your legs also. Peace out.